At the moment, it's pretty special. We have like a baby boom. Currently, we have one baby polar bear, two very young babies, giant panda, and 4 lion cubs that are just over 2 months old now. But the big challenge at the moment are this young polar bear. It's like a quarantine area. Only very few people are allowed to come and see and take care of her. We are taking care of her 24 hours over the clock based on the fact that she needs to feed about every 2 to 3 hours.
Okay, that's it.
Each feed we actually need to reassess her.
I got some here. Do you want to put in my GoPro?
She's putting them all.
I know. It's okay, sweetie. It's okay.
That's her little stomach here. She's feeding between 9 and 11 times a day. We are trying to mimic the milk of the mom. The milk replacement is very high in fat because in the wild, they are, like polar bear will feed on seals and very fat animals. As a neonate, she's very fragile, and within 2 hours, 4 hours, between 2 or 3 feeds, she actually can go from being a healthy little bear to a pretty lethargic or too quiet bear. She is a very sweet and very cute little bear, and it's difficult not to get attached. We are very careful, and we will be more and more as she grows, to not being too close or to her, because she needs to be a bear very soon. So we can be attached to her, but she should not be attached to us, and that's the tricky part.